Hi, my name is Jaren A. Fernley, a professional wildlife photographer and co-owner of Untamed Photo Safaris, and today I would like to introduce you to our 12-day Best of Tanzania Wildlife Photo Safari. This is a small group experience hosted by either myself or my husband Mark, and we are both professional wildlife photographers, and we work alongside some of Tanzania's top local experts. Now, this is more than just a safari, it's a full photographic experience. You'll get in-the-field support during every drive, plus photo reviews, editing sessions, and tutorials back at camp most days. It's all designed to help you improve your photography and come away with a stronger portfolio. We start the trip in Tarangire National Park, known for its ancient baobabs and huge herds of elephants. During the dry season, wildlife gathers around the Tarangire River, making this a fantastic place to work with longer lenses and focus on detailed wildlife behavior. Next, we explore the Ngorongoro Crater, a unique wildlife-rich environment. You'll spend a full day photographing lions, zebras, elephants, flamingos, and much more, all surrounded by the dramatic crater walls that make for a natural backdrop for wide shots and landscapes as well. From there, we move to the Central Serengeti, where big cats are our main focus. Lions, leopards, cheetahs are often all seen near camp, and you'll also photograph elephants, gazelles, giraffes, and more. Plenty of variety and great opportunities for both telephoto and mid-range work. Finally, we head north to the Serengeti northern region, where the Great Migration is in full swing. This is where we see thousands of wildebeest and zebra moving across the plains. And if we're lucky, we may even witness a river crossing, one of the most dramatic wildlife events for wildlife photographers. Now, whether you're shooting with a 500 for distant action or you're using a 70-200 for the wider scenes and landscapes, we are here to make the most out of every moment. This safari brings together 4 of Tanzania's most iconic locations in one unforgettable journey, and we would love to welcome you along. For more information, please feel free to contact us at bookings@untamedphotosafaris.com for more information.